professionally.
I'm a feminist, and I don't
Okay,
hate
so
men.
you are a self-described feminist. What is a woman?
Why do you want to know?
I'm infinitely curious.
What's a man?
You're looking at one.
Why do you think that that's important to you, what a man and a woman is?
So
Do you
you
treat men
can't-
and women differently?
Well, it depends in what context, though. Politically, no. Under the law, no. Should they treat it differently in societal customs and norms? Yes.
Why?
Like, we should open doors for women. We should honor and protect women.
I want
and-
to honor and protect you, man.
Okay, great,
do you
thank
not
you.
honor and
Women are
protect
worthy
it?
of protection. Can you tell me what a woman is, since you're a feminist?
You're saying these things because you're trying to get a gotcha.
You're
okay,
a feminist. Shouldn't you be able to tell me what a woman is?
I'm a feminist.
Isn't that probably
because-
important to feminism? What is the woman that you're trying to advance and protect?
Bruh.
Isn't that
This is so
integral to?
funny.
Is that the whole feminist project? The war
Asking
against.
what a woman is the only way that you can get a gotcha over everybody else. Why is it so important to you to define things in certain categories? How does that help your day-to-day life? Like
What other categories in the human species are there besides male and female?
Well, I just think that categorization is usually unhelpful when we're trying to improve society, right?
I have XY chromosomes.
Okay.
Can I give birth?
No, you can't.
Bingo. That's why categorization matters.
Wait, you're leaving, Kiko?
I'm not rage quitting. It's just it's 12:30.
You can admit it.
I'm hungry. No, I'm not upset at all. It's just
Do you want to watch a tape clip before you leave?
not really.
Should we
I
talk
have to,
about
like,
abortion?
this-
Do you want to talk about abortion really quick? Just throwing it out. Kiko,
Bye, Kiko. Nice speaking with you tonight. I was being serious.
I really thought I could get past it, but
Well,
I just
drive safe.
sorry, I don't want to like that.
Oh, welcome back.
Hi, I'm back again. My problem is not, honestly, I'm more upset with how you've conducted yourself earlier in the podcast. It was very unprofessional, in my opinion.
For giggling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Learn how to conduct yourself properly.
I could say the same to you.
Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you.
Modern feminism is against men and promotes female supremacy. If you take a look at court statistics, the homeless population, prisons, or any other kind of horrible place in society, the victims are predominantly male. Men make up 86% of the homeless population. Men can be drafted. Men make up 93% of workplace fatalities. There are more safety nets, like homeless and DA shelters, for women than men. Men make up 98% of combat fatalities. Female-only prisons are far less secure than male-only prisons. A woman can rape a man or steal his sperm and sue him for child support. Men only win 5% of custody battles, and when they win, they don't get half of the woman's money and half of all she owns. Men get 2 times the sentences for equivalent crimes. Women can gold dig without societal repercussions. Men are still forced to abide by traditional gender roles, gender quotas appearing in upper management. Men are not allowed to show emotion, or they get called babies. And men make up 70% of unreciprocated DA victims. Back during second wave of feminism, feminists got what they asked for. We had a problem though. Too many feminists' entire lives were fighting against the patriarchy. When they succeeded in their goal, it would have been financial ruin to just drop it. Like everything in life, once something starts, it fights to stay alive, whether it has a purpose or not. That is just biological nature. When you have already achieved equality of opportunity without the detrimental side effects, there is only one way to push from there. Push that pendulum up in the direction it was moving. Since you have to be pretty extreme and ask for privileges beyond what is reasonable after you have already achieved equality, anything you do is likely to be extreme because you'll be pushing for stuff you truly don't deserve, like equity. Opportunity is already there, but biologically speaking, men and women are different, and we have different wants and needs. Third and fourth wave feminism is a cancer. It should have stopped at second wave and just be remembered. Feminism has always been about privileged women fighting for more privilege. The suffragettes were terrorists who left hundreds of bombs around the UK between 1912 to 1915. Margaret Sanger was a vile eugenic who wanted to control the black population through abortion. Today, it is the same thing. Radical, upper middle-class liberal white women who have a plan for a femitopia, a world where everyone is exactly equal, an impossibility, seeing as nobody is exactly equal anyway. However, this is just a facade. They want a two-tier system, which is what we already have in the West, in the courts. They think of men as a class that has been oppressing them, and they want to be the ones in power. They don't want to be the oppressed anymore. They want to be the oppressors. To get to the top, they need to cheat by denying men the chance to compete, i.e. shortlists and quotas. They need to oust men in positions of power through sexual harassment claims, where someone gave them an unwanted compliment, and suddenly the strong independent women have become weak damsels in distress. They want women to work like men, but women are not men and have different interests. This is why women have been getting unhappier and unhappier since the 1970s as their rights went up. When feminist social engineering plans don't work, they say we need more feminism, more trying to force men and women and boys and girls to act against their own nature. This is because feminists don't believe in nature. They think they have so far transcended millions of years of coding and evolution from a single cell to what we are today, that they can just turn men into women and vice versa. Society has to do nothing. Feminism is doomed because of demographics. Feminists don't have enough children, and there is nothing feminism can do about it. It is a flaw baked into the core of their worldview. Feminists are oddly obsessed with very patriarchal measures of success. The number of women at top universities, in high-status professions, and the amount women earn. They look down on traditional female roles, the mother and the housewife. The problem with that is that it is fundamentally incompatible with a society's survival, for two reasons. The first is female fertility is age-dependent. Women are most fertile in their teens and 20s, and after that, their fertility goes off a cliff. Women who go to university and pursue careers don't have children in their peak fertile years. The second problem is women don't partner up with men who are equal or inferior to them. Women want men who are of higher status than they are. That becomes impossible in a feminist society because as women gain status, the number of men they consider viable as husbands and fathers decreases. Of course, feminists will deny this, but the truth is shown by Western demographics. The birth rate in the West has gone off a cliff. The numbers are worse than they look because there has been mass migration into the West from communities hostile to feminism. Give it 2, maybe 3 generations, and feminism will cease to exist because every feminist will have died, childless, of old age. Today, feminism hurts our children the most, and then women, and then men. Women are realizing that they cannot have it all, and many can see feminism for what it is now, a supremacist ideology that cares nothing for men and boys, but constantly hides behind a veneer of equality. What we are seeing is the last stage of empire, decadence, transvestites, the craziest porn, constant entertainment and escapism, weak men, loss of religion. My question is, are women inheriting a dying empire, or are they causing it? Anyway, that's all for today on Manhood. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons, and also click on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop a new video. If you find value in my videos, you can show your support through PayPal or Cash App. The links are in the description. See you next time. Cheers.